قل أندعو من دون الله ما لا ينفعنا ولا يضرنا ونرد على أعقابنا بعد إذ هدانا الله كالذي استهوته الشياطين في الأرض حيران له أصحاب يدعونه إلى الهدى ائتنا قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى وأمرنا لنسلم لرب العالمين.
Ask them, O Muhammad, shall we invoke anything apart from Allah that can neither benefit nor harm us, and thus be turned back on our heels after Allah has guided us? Like the one whom the evil ones have lured into bewilderment in the earth, even though he has friends who call him to true guidance, saying, "Come to us." Say, surely Allah's guidance is the only true guidance, and we have been commanded to submit ourselves to the Lord of the entire universe.
وَأَنْ أَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَاتَّقُوهُ وَهُوَ الَّذِي إِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ.
And to establish prayer and to have fear of Him. It is to Him that all of you shall be gathered.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق ويوم يقول كن فيكون قوله الحق وله الملك يوم ينفخ في الصور عالم الغيب والشهادة وهو الحكيم الخبير.
And He it is who has created the heavens and the earth in truth. And the very day He will say, "Let there be resurrection," and it will be. His word is the truth, and His will be the dominion on the day the trumpet is blown. He knows that which is hidden and that which is evident. He is the all-wise, the all-aware.
وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ لِأَبِيهِ آزَرَ أَتَتَّخِذُ أَصْنَامًا آلِهَةً إِنِّي أَرَاكَ وَقَوْمَكَ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ.
And recall when Abraham said to his father Azar, "Do you take idols for gods? I see you and your people in obvious error."
وَكَذَلِكَ نُرِي إِبْرَاهِيمَ مَلَكُوتَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلِيَكُونَ مِنَ الْمُوقِنِينَ.
And thus we showed Abraham the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, so that he might become one of those who have sure faith.
فَلَمَّا جَنَّ عَلَيْهِ اللَّيْلُ رَأَىٰ كَوْكَبًا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لا أحب الآفلين.
Then when the night outspread over him, he beheld a star and said, "This is my Lord." But when it went down, he said, "I do not love the things that go down."
فلما رأى القمر بازغا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لئن لم يهدني ربي لأكونن من القوم الضالين.
Then when he beheld the moon rising, he said, "This is my Lord." But when it went down, he said, "Were that my Lord did not guide me, I surely would have become among the people who have gone astray."
فلما رأى الشمس بازغة قال هذا ربي هذا أكبر فلما
Then when he beheld the sun rising, he said, "This is my Lord. This is the greatest of all." Then when it went down, he said, "O my people, most certainly I am quit of those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity.
إني وجهت وجهي للذي فطر السماوات والأرض حنيفا وما أنا من المشركين.
Behold, I have turned my face in exclusive devotion to the one who originated the heavens and the earth, and I am certainly not one of those who associate others with Allah in His divinity.
وحاجه قومه قال أتحاجوني في الله وقد هدان ولا أخاف ما تشركون به إلا أن يشاء ربي شيئا وسع ربي كل شيء علما أفلا تتذكرون.
His people remonstrated with him, whereupon Abraham said, "Do you remonstrate with me concerning Allah, who has guided me to the right way? I do not fear those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity. Only that which my Lord wills, indeed, that alone will come by. My Lord embraces all things within His knowledge. Will you not take heed?"
وكيف أخاف ما أشركتم ولا تخافون أنكم أشركتم بالله ما لم ينزل به عليكم سلطانا فأي الفريقين أحق بالأمن إن كنتم تعلمون.
Why should I fear those whom you have associated with Allah in His divinity, when you do not fear associating others with Allah in His divinity, something for which He has sent down to you no authority? Then, which of the two parties has better title to security? Tell us if you have any knowledge.
الذين آمنوا ولم يلبسوا إيمانهم بظلم أولئك لهم الأمن وهم مهتدون.
Those who believe and did not tarnish their faith with wrongdoing, for them there is security, and it is they who have been guided to the right way.
وتلك حجتنا آتيناها إبراهيم على قومه نرفع درجات من نشاء إن ربك حكيم عليم.
That was our argument which we gave to Abraham against his people. We raise in ranks whom we will. Truly, your Lord is all-wise, all-knowing.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب كلا هدينا ونوحا هدينا من قبل ومن ذريته داود وسليمان وأيوب ويوسف وموسى وهارون وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And we bestowed upon Abraham his offspring Ishaq, Isaac, and Yaqub, Jacob, and each of them did we guide to the right way, as we had earlier guided Noah to the right way, and of his descendants we guided Dawood, David, and Suleiman, Solomon, Ayub, Job, Yusuf, Joseph, Musa, Moses, and Harun, Aaron. Thus do we reward those who do good.
وزكريا ويحيى وعيسى وإلياس كل من من الصالحين.
And of his descendants we guided Zechariah, Yahya, John, Isa, Jesus, and Elias, Each one of them was of the righteous.
وإسماعيل واليسع ويونس ولوطا وكلا فضلنا على العالمين.
And of his descendants we guided Ismail, Ishmael, Al-Yasa, Elisha, Yunus, Jonah, and Lut, Lot. And each one of them we favored over all mankind.
ومن آبائهم وذرياتهم وإخوانهم واجتبيناهم وهديناهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
Likewise, we elected for our cause and guided onto a straight way some of their forefathers and their offspring and their brethren.
ذلك هدى الله يهدي به من يشاء من عباده ولو أشركوا لحبط عنهم ما كانوا يعملون.
That is Allah's guidance wherewith He guides those of His servants whom He will. But if they ever associate others with Allah in His divinity, then all that they had done would have gone to waste.
أولئك الذين آتيناهم الكتاب والحكم والنبوة فإن يكفر بها فقد وكلنا بها قوما ليسوا بها بكافرين.
Those are the ones to whom we gave the book and judgment and prophethood. And if they refuse to believe in it now, we will bestow this favor on a people who do believe in it.
أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداه مقتده قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن هو إلا ذكرى للعالمين.
O Muhammad, those are the ones Allah guided to the right way. Follow then their way and say, I ask of you no reward for carrying on this mission. It is merely an admonition to all mankind.
وما قدر الله حق قدره إذ قالوا ما أنزل الله على بشر من شيء قل من أنزل الكتاب الذي جاء به موسى نورا وهدى للناس تجعلونه قراطيس تبدونها وتخفون كثيرا وعلمتم ما لم تعلموا أنتم ولا آباؤكم قل الله ثم ذرهم في خوضهم يلعبون.
They did not form any proper estimate of Allah when they said, Allah has not revealed anything to any man. Ask them, the book which Moses brought as a light and guidance for people, and which you keep in bits and scraps, some of which you disclose, while the rest you conceal, even though through it you were taught that which neither you nor your forefathers knew. Who was it who revealed it? Say, Allah, and then leave them to sport with their argumentation.
وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك مصدق الذي بين يديه ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها والذين يؤمنون بالآخرة يؤمنون به وهم على على صلاتهم يحافظون.
Like that book, this too is a book which we have revealed, one full of blessing, confirming what was revealed before it, so that you might warn the people of the mother of cities, Makkah, and those around it. Those who believe in the hereafter believe in it and are ever mindful of their prayers.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو قال أوحي إلي ولم يوح إليه شيء ومن قال سأنزل مثل ما أنزل الله ولو ترى إذ الظالمون في غمرات الموت والملائكة باسطوا أيديهم أخرجوا أنفسكم اليوم تجزون عذاب الهون بما كنتم تقولون على الله غير الحق وكنتم عن آياته تستكبرون.
Who can be more unjust than he who foists a lie on Allah or says, "Revelation has come to me," when in fact nothing was revealed to him, and who says, "I will produce the like of what Allah has revealed"? If you could but see the wrongdoers in the agonies of death, and the angels stretching out their hands, saying, "Yield up your souls. Today you will be recompensed with the chastisement of humiliation for the lie you spoke concerning Allah, and for you waxing proud against His signs."
ولقد جئتمونا فرادا كما خلقناكم أول مرة وتركتم ما خولناكم وراء ظهوركم وما نرى معكم شفعاءكم الذين زعمتم أنهم فيكم شركاء لقد تقطع بينكم وضل عنكم ما كنتم تزعمون.
And Allah will say, "Now you have come to us all alone, even as we had created you in the first instance, and you have left behind all that we had bestowed upon you in the world. We do not see with you your intercessors whom you imagined to have a share with Allah in your affairs. You've now been cut off from one another, and all those whom you imagine to be Allah's associates in your affairs have vanished from you."
إن الله فالق الحب والنوى يخرج الحي من الميت ومخرج الميت من الحي ذلكم الله فأنا تؤفكون.
Truly, it is Allah who causes the grain and the fruit kernel to sprout. He brings forth the living from the dead and brings forth the dead from the living. Such is Allah. So whither are you tending in error?
فالق الإصباح وجعل الليل سكنا والشمس والقمر حسبانا ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
It is He who causes the dawn to split forth and has ordained the night for repose, and the sun and the moon for reckoning time. All this is determined by Allah, the Almighty, the All-Knowing.
وهو الذي جعل لكم النجوم لتهتدوا بها في ظلمات البر والبحر قد فصلنا الآيات لقوم يعلمون.
It is He who has made for you the stars, that you may follow the right direction in the darkness of the land and the sea. We have indeed spelled out signs for the people who have knowledge.
وهو الذي أنشأكم من نفس واحدة فمستقر ومستودع قد فصلنا الآيات لقوم يفقهون.
It is He who created you out of a single being and appointed for each of you a place of stay in life and a resting place after death. We have indeed spelled out our signs for those who can understand.
وهو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء فأخرجنا به نبات كل شيء فأخرجنا منه خضرا نخرج منه حبا متراكبا ومن النخل من طلعها قنوان دانية وجنات من أعناب والزيتون والرمان مشتبها وغير متشابه انظروا إلى ثمره إذا أثمر وينعي إن في ذلكم لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
It is He who has sent down water from the heavens, and thereby we have brought vegetation of every kind, and out of this we have brought forth green foliage, and then from it close-packed ears of corn, and out of the palm tree, from the sheath of it, thick clustered dates, hanging down with heaviness, and gardens of vines, and the olive tree, and the pomegranate, all resembling one another, and yet so different. Behold their fruit when they bear fruit and ripen. Surely, in all this, there are signs for those who believe.
وجعلوا لله شركاء الجن وخلقهم وخرقوا له بنين وبنات بغير علم سبحانه وتعالى عما يصفون.
And yet some people have come to associate the jinn with Allah in His divinity, even though it is He who created them, and in ignorance they impute to Him sons and daughters. He is holy and exalted far above that which they attribute to Him.